Happy birthday, Mother Bhai.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mazhar.
Happy birthday, Faisal. Happy birthday, Mother Bhai. Happy birthday to you.
आप आए तो
हाय भाई साहब, हैप्पी बर्थडे डार्लिंग। आपकी 90th बर्थडे है, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट वन। और बस कैसे आप, कितने अभी मुझसे तो यंग लगते हो आप। आई रिग्रेट दैट कि भाई मैं इतनी अच्छी क्यों नहीं लगती जितने अच्छे आप लगती। एनी वे स्वीटहार्ट, आपकी जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है ना, वो मुझे कभी नहीं भूलेगा। मैं 10 साल की उम्र सीखी थी जब से मैं आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इतना है। तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ कीप योर सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। वी लव यू। हैव अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल 90th बर्थडे एंड I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful life ahead and many more birthdays to come. Love you.
Uncle Mazza, Kim and I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. You look amazing for 110. I really, sorry, not 100, not 100.
90.
90, so you're 90. Very happy birthday for your 90th, Uncle Mazza. And we love you, and hopefully we'll see you again really soon, okay?
Happy birthday.
भूल जाती हैं यादें, याद आती हैं बातें, भूल जाती हैं यादें, याद आती हैं ये यादें।
Assalamu alaikum, Mazhar Bhai. Assalamu alaikum and a very happy birthday to you. I miss you very much and I want to really make this a special wish for you for your birthday. I think we're all so very close to you. You've always been more than a brother, and it's wonderful having you as a brother, and may God bless you, give you a long, healthy life, and inshallah ta'ala jaldi milenge. I miss you and I love you. I love you very much. Allah Hafiz and enjoy your birthday.
Assalamualaikum, Mazhar Khalu, Faiz baat kar raha hu. I can say if there's a family member for 70, 60 years that has been a part of this family, no matter whether it's a happy occasion, whether it's a wedding or a funeral, you've been a part of it. There hasn't been any family event that I've never seen you be present, and it's difficult to imagine a life without Mazhar Bhai being part of it. So I want to say from the bottom of my heart, as a Hamid, as a Khan Babi, a very, very happy birthday to you, a very happy 90th birthday, and may we get to enjoy another 90 years of Mazhar Bhai. Allah Hafiz.
Very nice.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं।
आपको बहुत सालगिरह मुबारक. I hope you have a lovely birthday with your very beautiful family. I have some very, very wonderful memories of you, especially with mom and dad in Karachi whenever you came. I know I ran away from home once and you brought me back home. I remember that time very vividly. I know I was always a troublesome teenager, but you were always there, very supportive and caring and loving, and I have some very, very lovely memories of you. Love you loads, and good wishes in health and prayers to all of you.
सरकते जाए है रुख से नकाब, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता निकलता रहा है आफताब।
Happy birthday, Bhai Saab. I wish everybody a very long life, but I don't think I want to get to 90. I hope you have a lovely, lovely 90th birthday. We all love you very, very much. I have nothing but the most wonderful memories of you. You used to bring me sweets when I was in England, and when you came to visit Ammi Jan, you'd bring me aniseed twists and all kinds of candy. No wonder I didn't want to go to school. And your humor and your humanity are both
exceptional.
You're a wonderful guy. Wonderful guy. Happy birthday, Mazhar Bhai. Happy birthday. Happy 90.
सांवरी सूरत मनु भाई रे पिया थोड़ी सांवरी सूरत मनु भाई सांवरी सूरत मनु भाई रे पिया थोड़ी सांवरी सूरत मनु भाई आरमानों ने ली अंगड़ाई
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मज़हर भाई, बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपकी सालगिरह पर. I'm really sorry. I feel I'm the only one in the family who's known you the least, has spent the least time with you. And I have lovely memories of you, of the special birthday you gave Taseen and me when I was in Canada. And when you lived there with Nasra in your house, we had a lovely birthday celebration there. And it's always been a lovely time listening to you singing, listening to you laughing, all your conversations. I've always enjoyed them all very much all my life, and I hope to continue to always hear about them all anyway. And may your health and may you always prosper, may everything always be wonderful for you. All our love anyway. You look better than all the rest of us. I hope you have a very special day. It's lovely to know you as a person. You're one of the special ones that we all really think the world of. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and inshallah we'll see you soon.
ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का.
He will have a good birthday. I'm very every time I look at you, Mazhar Bhai, you look 10 years younger than me, and that's a bit depressing. But apart from, I hope you have a very good birthday, and Allah आपको सब खुशियाँ दे और सेहत दे.
जिन रातों में नींद उड़ जाती है, क्या कहर की रातें होती हैं, दरवाजों से टकरा जाते हैं.
याद किया दिल.
Hi, Uncle Mazhar. I wish you a really happy 90th. Amazing age to get to. My dearest memory of you is staying at your house. I think it was in Twickenham. On Saturday mornings, we used to go for bike rides around the park, me, Sophie and Freed, with your kids. It was lovely memories and lovely time we spent with you. Much love, Neji.
Assalamu alaikum. I wish you the happiest of birthdays. Now you're 90. My God, what a wonderful age. I really praise God that He has kept you all these years. And I hope that you will have many more happy years with good health. And I pray we will meet again soon.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम भाई साहब, मुबारक हो बहुत बहुत आपकी 90th बर्थडे. अल्लाह में आपको 100 साल और खुशियाँ के साथ और हेल्थ के साथ दे. बस इंग्लैंड में हमें बहुत खुशी होती थी कि एक और भाई हमारा कहीं है इंग्लैंड में, और इसी तरह हम अब कनाडा में भी खुश हैं कि एक भाई हमारा और यहाँ पे भी है. अल्लाह में आपको लंबी उम्र दे, खुशियाँ दे, और सारी फैमिली को भी. मेरी तरफ से आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक और प्यार.
Bhai Sahab, Manish bol raha hu. I really wanted to do this in person, but because of COVID, I don't think we'll be able to see you this weekend. So that's why we're here. I just want to wish you a very happy 90th birthday. You look amazing for 90. I hope if I make it to 90, I'll look as good as you do. I guess between you and me, we've had a bit of a unique relationship over the last 75 years. I mean, right from Lahore, Mazang Road to Thorpe in London, and then London, England, and then here in Canada for the last 47 years or whatever it is. I mean, that's quite a history, and I don't know if I've spent as much time with anybody else in the family for that amount of time. So we have that kind of a unique bond between you and me, that you've always been part of my life wherever I've been. And that's always been very important for me. I really do want to wish you all the best. And I'm sure my wife would like to say something.
Assalamu alaikum, Azabhai. And I really wanted to hug you and wish you, but I've been instructed strictly I'm not allowed to come to give you a hug yet till the lockdown is over. As far as you and me, you have always welcomed me to the family, which I love. And you have always been very gentle. And I always love your advices you give us and me. I always think of you as a gentle person, respectful person, and I love you a lot. And I love your family. Obviously, you're a very good father, husband, and a grandfather, because I love your children too. And they mean a lot to me. So does your grandchildren. Have a wonderful birthday and hope we can all celebrate together one day. And by the way, I think you're the only one who has met my parents, both my parents, and know most of my sister brothers. So I'm grateful for that. And thank you for everything you've done for me. Even though my husband has not learned a lot of things from you.
I knew there should be a time limit to all this, now she's going overboard.
Khadafis, take care.
And she's especially wearing lipstick for you.
Yes, especially for you.
Okay, Faisal, you take care, look after yourself, and we'll do this again on your 100th birthday.
Inshallah,
So make sure you're still around. Take care, all the best, Khadafis.
Aisha, I hear it's your birthday, and I'm not even there to wish you happy birthday. I mean, hug you. Till I touch you and hug you, इसमें मजा ही नहीं आता। आपके साथ तो बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मदर भाई, आपके साथ इतनी अच्छी मेमोरीज हैं मेरी, और मेरी क्या विशी हम सब, आप हमें इतना हंसाते थे। I owe you all that, the beautiful laughter that came from my heart, and you caused it. My God, मतलब भाई कितना हंसाते थे आप हमें कि हम चल नहीं सकते थे, कभी हम बाहर होते थे उनसे चला नहीं जाता था। They were lovely days. I shall never forget those. मेरी सबसे प्यारी मेमोरी ये है। Happy birthday and all my love from the bottom of my heart goes to you, my darling बंद भाई। And हम कितने अफसोस की बात है कि हम दो मुल्कों में रहते हैं जिसमें इतना फासला है, और इसी तरह हम अब चले जाएंगे और मिले बगैर गालिबन, और मिलेंगे भी तो थोड़े से अरसे के लिए, लेकिन जुदा रहेंगे तो कितने सालों तक मदर भाई, ये तो बहुत जुल्म की बात है। अलग ही रहे। If I talk about it, I think I'll feel like crying. But anyway, all my love goes to you for you gave me such a happy memory, and thank you so much for it. Allah Hafiz.